If your Epic Games title is crashing, not launching, or just acting weird, repairing the game is one of the fastest fixes you can try before reinstalling anything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to repair a game in Epic Games using the built-in Verify Files tool, and I'll also explain what happens during the process so you know what to expect. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, so you can quickly find the one you want to repair. Now scroll through your library and locate the game that's giving you trouble. When you find it, look for the three dots icon next to the game's title or cover art. Click those three dots to open the menu of available options for that game. From the drop-down menu, select Manage. This takes you into the game management options, where Epic gives you tools for installation, updates, and file repair. Inside the Manage section, you'll see an option labeled Verify Files, or a Verify button next to it. Click Verify to begin the repair process. At this point, Epic Games will start checking the game's installed files against the official version on its servers. This scan is what helps detect broken files, altered files, or missing files that may be causing errors. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your storage drive, this can take a little while. If you're using an SSD, it may finish faster, while an HDD can take longer. In general, you can expect the verification process to take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes, so just let it run without interrupting it. If Epic finds any damaged or missing files, it will automatically download clean copies in the background. You usually won't need to do anything else while that happens. Once the verification is complete, the launcher will finish repairing the game, and you can try launching it again to see if the problem is gone. In many cases, this simple repair process fixes crashes, corruption issues, update problems, and missing file errors without needing a full reinstall. So if a game is acting up, this should always be one of the first things you try. And that's it. You now know how to repair a game in Epic Games the easy way. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials, just like this one.